Well, I was going to get some wood split, but I guess I'm not today. In fact, I need to get out of here before Mama comes back and freaks out. A lot of times people think that this, because the log has been down for a while, that everything's dry. And I want to show you, this log's been down about 5 years, at least. 39.4. That's still really wet. You know, 5 to 10 years, and that's still what it's showing. So it ended up taking us about 3 hours to get all of this completed. There was quite a bit of metal in this tree. It's a yard tree, which was to be expected, but that did set us back a little bit. But we ended up with about a dozen or so pieces. I think it turned out pretty good. Okay, so you just saw that we were at the old property cutting up that red oak log. We got it cut into 16-inch rounds, but we weren't able to pick it up the same day. So hopefully we'll get back over there in the next day or two, get those loaded up and bring them back over here so we can start splitting that wood and get it dried. But for now, we're going to get some bundles created. Nikki's out running errands and has got the truck at the moment, so I can't get over there and load anything. So let's go ahead and jump into it and get these bundles made. All right, got my makeshift bagging station here. Pallet lifted up so I'm not bending over too much. The pallet of firewood, that is. And we got bags, got a bucket. So we'll fill up the bucket, put the bag over, flip it, and see how that works. Now, eventually, I want to get over to Mike Morgan's house and get my hands on the Wolf Ridge bundler. That thing looks pretty awesome, especially at the price point. So for now, we're going to kind of redneck engineer our own. So we could make this a little bit bigger of a table, but this should be okay. Let's go ahead, we'll move these over. I think what would be nice too is if that bundler, if it's at an angle, right? So everything sits at the bottom. It's gonna be a lot easier to place your pieces.
Follow this old river down to where the poppies grow, and drink that cool water till I get my fill. And take me out past the mud and rust and all the broken bones, and watch the sun fall down behind the hills. I'm in love with a woman, and she makes me want to sing a song. I'm in love with a woman, and she makes me want to build a home. I'm in love with a woman, and she makes me want to sing a song. I'm in love with a woman, and she makes me want to build a home.
All right, as I'm finishing up these last couple of bags, a couple of thoughts that I've had. One, I can definitely get faster at this as the more I do it. Still pretty slow at it, but this isn't a bad process at all. This is actually pretty nice. I think having the bags with the handles, the ones that don't break, are going to be kind of a game changer. And I hate that term, it should be. Everything's a game changer, right? But just the ease of use, like with the plastic bundles, the plastic wrap, you know, you have to pick up the whole thing kind of like in a bear hug, which is fine for most of these guys that come around. But if you get like skinnier people or older people, then, you know, it's nice to have the handles. With the handles, you know, for those people that need it, it's going to be more convenient for them. I think that convenience is going to help us sell some more bundles too. So first impression, using the bagging and the bucket method has been favorable. I definitely have a lot of room for improvement, but that'll come with time. You know, just keep doing it, because we do want to move over to these bags for the convenience for our customers. Man, just being able to pick those things up and walk with them instead of having a bear hug a big old bundle of firewood is going to really help give a little bit more value add to our price tag. So we'll see how it goes. Thanks for hanging out with us and watching our videos and supporting our content. It's really appreciated. You guys are making life so much more fun, you know, with the interactions, the comments and stuff like that we're getting with our videos. So hope to see you guys on the next one. Take care.